student. Very good morning. You are welcome to our online class managed by Kamdev Sadhana Public School. श्रद्धेय पिलामाने तुम मानकु आम अनुष्ठान तरफ दिया जाउथिबा ऑनलाइन क्लास को स्वागत। श्रद्धेय पिलामाने आमे जानु there are three type of tense. One is present, another is past, another is future. But in English grammar there is only two tense, that is the present and the past. In English literature, there is no future tense because there is no future form of a verb. For example, present form go, past form went, past participle form gone. There is no future form of a verb, so there is no future tense. But time, there are three times: present time, past time, and future time. Tense and time are not the same. पिलामाने हमें बहुत हमारे सामने पढ़ता हूँ tense और time एक है, but really it is not so. I will give you an example both in Odia, English, and you can understand what is the difference between tense and time. Just you see, I have done it. अर्थात मैं एक काम कर सारी I have done it. अर्थात मैं एक काम कर सारी it refers to past time, but it refers to present tense. So present tense and present time, present tense and past time, I will do it. मैं एक काम करीबी will present tense but future time. That is why tense and time are not the same. You should not be confused on it. If the action has already passed, it refers to past time. If the action is going to be done, it refers to future time. And the action is going on at the time of speaking, it is present time. पिलामाने मु वर्तमान पढ़ाऊची तुम्हें माने पढ़ुछ एटा हला प्रेजेंट टाइम। गत काली मु पढ़ेइथिली तुम्हें माने पढ़ीथिला सेटा हला पास्ट टाइम। आसंता काली मु पढ़ेइबी तुम्हें माने पढ़िबा फ्यूचर टाइम। Now I hope you must learn the difference between the present tense and present tense, past tense, future tense and future tense. Now we go to future tense. Look at the Bible. The future tense. It is a verb form that states an action that has not begun and may start in future. अर्थात यदि कौन कार्य एपर्यंत आरंभ हो नहीं भविष्य में आरंभ होगा अच्छी ताहले आमे ताको फ्यूचर टेंस कहबा। अर्थात मु आसंता काली स्कूल को आसीबी बा आसीबी नहीं बा आसीबी की the action has not started now. It is going or it may happen sometimes in future. So we call it future tense. For example, I shall or we leave for Puri tomorrow. Mu asanta kali Puri jibi. The action has not done today. The action has not done yesterday. It is going to be done. It is going to be done in future. अर्थात कार्यटी सरी नहीं किंबा कार्यटी सरी नथिला कार्यटी सरीबा को जाउछि बोली बुझाउछि कार्यटी करा जीवो बोली बुझाउछि सो वी कॉल इट फ्यूचर टाइम। I shall public we live for Puri tomorrow. We may use I shall, we may use I will. He will need your help. We will need your help. So these two sentences refers to future time. Similarly, she or he will do it well. They also refer to future time. Se e kamo kariba. The wa in Odia, if a sentence ends with ba, ba, bi, bu, future tense or future time. It refers to future time or we may use future tense here. Negative. I will not leave for tomorrow. In negative, we just use now after helping verb. We will not do it. In question, the structure is helping verb plus subject plus base form of a verb plus rest of the predicate plus into remarks. Will I, we do it tomorrow? Will he, she help you? These are the interrogative sentence that refers to the future tense. Dear students, now we go to form of future tense. Just like the present and the past, there are 4 forms of future tense. Just examples, form and examples. Future simple. I will, we will, he will, they will, you will go to school tomorrow. Future progressive. I will be, you will be, he will be, they will be playing TT tomorrow. Future perfect. I will have, you will have, he will have, they will have done it. Future perfect progressive. He will have been doing. अर्थात पिला माने फ्यूचर सिंपल हेल्पिंग वर्ब रूपे आम साल विल को व्यवहार करूँ एवं साल विल पर बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल डू ही विल डू आई विल प्ले ही विल प्ले दे विल कट ही विल कट लाइक दिस फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव रे विल बी बसिबो वर्ब रे आई एनजी बसिबो आई विल बी डूइंग ही विल बी प्लेइंग दे विल बी रीडिंग वी विल बी प्लेइंग आई शैल बी प्लेइंग वी शैल बी डूइंग लाइक दिस shall be will be plus verb plus ing. Future perfect will have shall have. I shall have gone. You will have gone. तुम्हें जानी छो जो ठी have had बसे ता पर verb ता main verb ता past participle. Similarly, future perfect progressive helping verb वाला will have been shall have been. Structure वाला will have been, shall have been, plus verb plus ing. I will have been doing it, he will have been doing it, like this. Dear students, so far I only tell you the future tense. Thereafter we will go to future simple, future progressive, future perfect and future perfect progressive one by one in next class. Thank you.